Welcome back to Hertz Homestead. I got a new mic in here, so let's see how the audio goes, and if it sounds terrible, we'll figure new stuff out. But so let's get into the hive inspection. I got a little bit left, not much at all. What is going on with that honeybee? Huh? Never seen anything like that. A moisture on it or gelatin? Weird. I don't like that. See if we can grab them. So surprisingly, my microphone works really well, and usually I don't talk during these inspections because of the audio is being so bad. So because I found out it was so good, next time I'm doing an inspection, I'll talk a lot more, and the video I think will be a little bit more interesting. Trying to. Oh, he will die now. His intestines have been ripped out. Whenever you guys are doing a hive inspection, you gotta go move very slow. And what I'm doing currently is I'm looking for pests and intruders and stuff like that. Put a lot of... Oh, there's larvae in this. A lot of good signs in this hive. So if you look inside, those are actually eggs right here. That's all new. See if the queen's on the top. And those right there, those are larvae. See a lot of eggs. So this hive has good health. Yeah, that corner right there is pretty cool. But that's as far as I really want to get in there today. A bunch of new hatched bees. They're putting a lot of food storages away. Ever since I started feeding them, they're prepping for winter. The honeybees have decided to make a new entrance right here. So, oh well, not my choice. That's why I would never get a top bar hive to anybody that is asking. No honey, nothing. That's crazy. Shows this hive just needs a little bit more food than the other one does. Oh, but they're putting a lot of storage away in here. This frame was completely empty a while back ago, but it has a little bit of weight to it now. A little bit of nectar. I don't know if you guys can see that glistening in there. I mean, it's not honey yet until they cap it over because of the water concentrate in it, but they're trying to make it into honey. I wonder if my big feeder from over here will fit in here and I can switch them out. Let's see. Might just need to change up my game somehow with this one. Maybe put two feeders in here. I don't know. You guys have any ideas? Let me know. A brood. I'm looking for eggs. I want to see eggs. Okay, I'm gonna go grab my steamer and treat both hives. I'll be right back. Honey, brood. Don't see any eggs. Don't see any larvae either. Shoot. Open this one back. No eggs. I see a bee hatching, but I'm sure you guys might think it's cool. Right there. Oh, and now I'm seeing eggs and larvae. Okay, that's good. That's good. Play a game. Can you find the queen? Okay. Move all this back. This was just a very basic video, just how I went into my hive. I'm just fogging it up one more time so the fog gets trapped in there when I close it up, so all that sticks to everything in the hive, those essential oils. If you guys want to learn more about organic beekeeping and stuff like that, and if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I hope you guys just think it's cool to see an update on my hive.